So Sameet Chavan of Angel Broking joins in now with his trading ideas. Hi Sameet, before we get to your picks, what is your intraday strategy on the Nifty?
Good afternoon. It would be very difficult to give intraday strategy since last few days Nifty is clearly trendless. Low side 80 to 50 is acting as a strong support purely with an intraday perspective, and on the higher side we are seeing 8350 to 8400 as a strong resistance. So directional traders can book their profits existing long positions around 8350, 8400, and in fact with a directional view one can look to go short around 8350, 8400. On the lower side, major support is now seen around 8150.
Okay, so consider shorting the Nifty at higher levels of 83.50 thereabout. But your recommendations are actually on the long side. So let's talk about the first one. It's a buy on Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Yes, we have two buy recommendation, but not with too aggressive targets. Talking about Kotak Bank, it is trading around its strong support zone of 1300, which is the daily 89 EMA. During the session, we witnessed a breakout in the hourly chart above 1350. The daily RSI oscillator clearly indicates that there's a possibility of some technical bounce towards 1390. Hence, our target would be 1390 and stop loss would be 1330.
Okay, and what about IDBI? What's the target you see there?
Recent correction from 80-82 precisely halted around its multi-week trendline support of 65-66. Since last 3 weeks, it's been hovering around that support level. It's been trading in a narrow range of 70 to 66. However, considering the overall extreme oversold condition of weekly stochastic oscillator, we expect another 4 to 5% bounce from current level. Hence, our target would be 72 and stop loss would be 66 for this trade setup.
Okay, overall, for the Bank Nifty, what will your view be? Would it be similar to the Nifty that you would recommend is short at higher levels?
Yes, but precise level at high level can't be given. 18,000 to 18,200 is an immediate resistance. In case Bank Nifty moves beyond 18,200 to 18,300, then probably it can move towards 18,700, 1800, but that would act as a strong resistance in the near term. So as of now, it would be very difficult to give immediate resistance for Bank Nifty wherein one can go short. But for Nifty, it would be around 8350, 8400.
All right, so any disclosures?
Discuss stocks may have been recommended to a client, but I don't have any personal positions.
All right, thanks very much at the moment for joining in with your trading ideas. Meanwhile,